is specifically for those who don't have a Valentine or lonely or V-Day. So what? You know what I say to that shit? Fuck it. You're your own Valentine, okay? About 2 minutes of straight motivation. You're your own Valentine because who loves you better than you? I'll tell you who. Nobody, right? Because nothing is more important than self-love. And of course there's gonna be those people who see you loving yourself, and they're gonna say, oh, you just lonely, don't try to act like you don't care. Fuck them. Those are the type of people who only want Valentine's Day to roll around just so they can do cute shit for the sake of doing it. Not because they care about their significant other or because they like showing love, but because they need you. They need you to know that they're in a relationship, that they're spending tons and tons of money on their significant other to impress you. You ask me, that's some fake shit right there. Fuck that shit. So Valentine's Day, treat yourself, you know what I'm saying? Go see a movie. Go buy yourself a new pair of shoes, a new dress, some new pants, new hat. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter as long as you're spending this time on you. Right now you're probably looking at my hair and I already know what you're thinking. Oh hell no, look at his hair. Look at that shit. Where the fuck is the unsubscribe button? Happy Valentine's Day. And if you don't have a Valentine, I got news for you. Yes you do. It's you. If you like this video, share it with every damn body. Who doesn't need a little motivation, you know? Please leave a comment. Give this motherfucker a thumbs up because motivation is important and everyone needs it. So, boom, I'm out.